Welcome guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Jish and today I'm taking you on the tour of my brand new shipping container workshop. So, where do we start? We'll start with the story behind it. So let's start from the beginning. As you saw in the last video, this container, about 4 or 5 weeks ago, it was a bare shell. It was already insulated, it was already lined. It was literally just a blank canvas for me to turn this place into whatever I wanted it to be. And that is this motorcycle workshop. As you can see, we've already got 2 motorcycles in here, the XJ650 and a little Suzuki that we're saving for a later day. A super solid workspace with everything that we need, and even an office space, which we'll come to later on. As you can see, it's not very big. I mean, what do you expect from a shipping container? And this is why we've had to get smart with this space. But before we get into any of the details, let's take a little cinematic tour. So this is probably the cleanest it's ever gonna be, just because it's fresh, everything's new, and I just really want to get to work on the bikes. But let's go around and show you exactly what I have done. So the biggest thing for me and making these videos is lighting. As you can see, we've got lighting properly set up all around, just because it makes the videos look so much better, more crisp, more clear, everything like that. And they're not on tripod stands. What we've done is wall mounted them, ceiling mounted them, just so we don't have those stands everywhere taking up valuable space in this really tight container. We also went around the side with LEDs just to get that nice dramatic feel. I mean, it's not much, but it looks cool as hell, especially when you turn the main lights off. There's even a nice bit of underglow on top of the tools right here. And just look how cool it is from the office. But it's not just about lighting, it's actually about the tools you need to build bikes as well. I've got all my tools right here, power tool station, power sockets, just for all the necessities that I'm going to be using on the bike and stuff. My trusty toolkit, which actually is falling apart, so I do need to change that at some point soon. But I'm going to start saving and get myself a nice tool chest when I can. So when you are really limited on space, you really have to think outside the box. And if you've got space that you need to take up with other things, you need to think outside the box. Drop down fold away tables, just in case we need that little bit more floor space. We also have 2 more of them on the container doors. Just when we've got the doors open, we can actually use that space to as much as they can. So they're not just doors. Sound deadening, as you see, the lighting, this thing extends all over the workshop and it moves all around, so that will make sure I've got lighting wherever I need it at all times. Yeah, these will be a bit more full when I've got some more of them and things to go in them. Just my generic Halford's toolkit, and of course the XJ on the bike ramp. This thing here is an absolute godsend, and having one now is amazing. Before I was using those jacks and everything, but yeah, this is a nice thing to have. I also made a solid workbench just in case we need to get an engine on there, some heavy components, and do some proper heavy work. I'm going to try and make it into a bit of a welding table too. If I can get a TIG welder, I might go down that route in the near future. But for now, we're just going to MIG weld and see what we can create. Now, the one thing I really wanted to hone in on in this container is decluttering the space, because when you've got a space like this, it's really easy to have a lot of clutter, a lot of things build up. I just kind of wanted to hide it all away, and the way I've done that is with a false wall. So behind this wall, we have suspension door handles, of course. We have shelving space. I mean, it's empty at the moment. I've still got loads of parts to bring over. I've got it so I can light it up and kind of see what I need to see. That's another project for another day as well. But yeah, really simple. Keep everything nice and clean out of the main workshop area. And that leads us onto the office. So moving on into the office, yes, we've got this nice wall decal, just because why the hell not? This space here, this will be a space where I can create my stickers, t-shirts, everything. I've already started moving some of my equipment over here, like my heat press and all my vinyls and stuff. We have my cutter in place. All I need now is my computer setup, which I'm having built for me as we speak. But yeah, there's so much gonna go on in here. I want to fill this wall here with photos, with graphics, with just whatever really anything that motivates me to create in this space. So let me know, what do you reckon I should have on this wall? So let me know what you think. What do you think to this space? I mean, there's still a hell of a lot of way to go, especially in this office section. But I'm just so stoked to be in here. And with everything that's going on with the coronavirus and the lockdowns, at least I have this place away from people, away from public, everything like that. A little place for me to come and keep myself busy over this time of crisis. So my thoughts go out to everyone watching this video, every one of my subscribers, everyone on this planet that is going through a struggle right now with the coronavirus and the hysteria that's brought on. I'm gonna try my best to keep content coming out for you guys, just so you've got something to look forward to and enjoy, some kind of routine. So yeah, let me know what you think about this place. Let me know what you're looking forward to from this channel, from this container. So yeah, stay safe, subscribe to this channel, and I shall see you in the next video. Peace.